I'm Vishakha and feeling so fortunate that I am on the land of sacred and which is a Haridwar. I'm so happy, I'm so proud, I'm so excited for particular dance residency organized by Vedic Sanskriti Kala Kendra Haridwar. Haridwar, the word, whenever we speak, we always feel sacred. We feel happiness, we feel divine and spiritual. Ma'am, what do you feel today?
I'm feeling very happy actually because this is the Haridwar. So it's the land of it's a door to the land of gods. So this place is very beautiful and the weather is fine and the whole atmosphere is perfect. We are meeting so many experts, dance experts, exponents, scholars, participants. So it's lovely. From morning to evening, we are really having a good time with very good nourishing food.
Okay. I was so excited, so I forgot to, give a small introduction of ma'am. She is Dr. Soumya Shri Pawar, and I will not tell her from particular place. She is a universal, I must say, having a, experience of, huge experience, and she is not only, put herself in a one shell. She is like ocean. And she is spreading her, happiness, her art, her culture everywhere. So I'm so much excited and happy to take her interview today. So, ma'am, let me start. Yeah, we should actually, and we are very fortunate to having you here.
Oh.
So, what I was thinking, since 2 days I'm just attending her workshop, and I must say, that she is like power package. Within 2 days, I must count only 2.5 hours. She taught us a beautiful dance, which is a Kali dance. I was mesmerized when she was teaching us. Okay, ma'am, let me ask you one question that you are a director of a trust, which is non-profitable.
Yes.
And you are working, you are doing charity for the people, for the student and all. So tell me your thought on that particular thing where people are very much commercial. They are not guru nowadays. They are teacher. They are just asking at 3 months, we will, do crash courses and all. Are you favoring of that or not?
No, I myself have given 35, 40 years now. I'm 50 plus. So I myself have given 45 years. So I'm still learning. I still go to my gurus.
True.
So of course, we should change the technology and all we should use. Also, we should change according to, like earlier we used to give 15 years. पूरी जिंदगी देते थे बट अभी एक 7 years का एक कोर्स डिज़ाइन किया गया ऑल द लाइक गंधर्व महाविद्यालय और नालंदा और many universities have designed these 7 years course for students only for the introduction. Later, if you want to go deep into it, you can do much more. But 3 months and 1 month and all
exactly.
we cannot learn.
Even I don't
and
support
also,
them.
Commercialization means, of course, there is that Guru Shishya Parampara where in earlier days, Shishyas used to give dhanya because the Gurus used to give everything to them.
Yeah.
They used to not earn separately. So for their food, the Shishyas used to give rice, wheat and all, household things. But nowadays, everybody has to survive.
Yes.
Some people are, I'm not like, it's good to take classes, everything. But these gimmicks of we'll make you a dancer in 3 months or we'll make you arangetam in 6 months and
exactly.
all these things I don't favor because the quality will matter.
We people are learning since 10 years and 15 years. Then our guru used to allow us on a rang manch, So within 3 months and even I don't support, and I really align with you. My another question is that people are rushing to do world records and doing competitions. They are somewhere they are leaving art, the essence of the artist, essence of dancer. They are leaving it behind, and they are running behind the records.
They're chasing,
they are chasing records and competitions and first prize, second prize. What do you feel? What do you think about the same?
This is the fast-paced life. Everybody wants instant gratification.
Exactly.
So even a small student nowadays learning, she puts a video she or he, and she puts it on Instagram. She wants gratification. So this is the time of instant. Everything is instant.
Yeah.
But yeah, these records and all, I don't know whether they will help in their knowledge and in their career. It's okay, but otherwise, they are not so much of use unless they're doing it nicely. Like I've seen some people doing Bharatanatyam, okay, in water and all, okay, it's good. But what are you trying to prove? You're leaving Bharatanatyam and just going in the water.
Exactly.
And you can rather you do something to do with the water
Because
games.
yes, many things are there. The particular, the out of the 7, 8, classical dance, the Bharatanatyam is having its level. So people are leaving that particular level and they are doing anything
there are many
for
people,
viewers. For the YouTubers and the Facebook stories and reels and
I've seen Bharatanatyam on skates and all.
Yeah.
So why? What is the necessity?
Exactly.
Do it
Many
in
things
your-
are there to do. We should not, lose the particular, essence of.
Essence and that integrity.
Integrity, actually.
The natural essence.
Okay, what can we? The another question is that what can we do the balance between traditional and innovation things?
Yeah, of course. Innovation.
What can we do for the same?
Tradition and innovation go in hand. As we are moving now, this is different world, and earlier it was different world. Innovations tend to happen in everything. See, you have a phone, he has a camera. So
Actually.
yeah, so innovation need to be done. And also, like as Bharata mentioned in the Natya Shastra, he said, this is the knowledge I'm giving you.
Yeah.
You can use it according to your general geography,
Yes.
place,
Environment.
knowledge, environment. So you can evolve it, but of course sticking to the tradition and all the rules and the purity of any dance form or anything. So we can do creative innovations, experiments,
Okay.
but please keep in mind the traditional format of the
Exactly.
dance form.
True.
And the technique. Don't lose the technique. But of course, you can do from Durga Devi to today's, you can Jhansi Ki Rani, any inspiring story you can do. But please keep in mind the technique and the purity of the dance
form. Yes. So the last question is for today. Which kind of message you would love to give to students, to us, to the world?
Yeah. I came here day before yesterday, and the last 2 days, yesterday and today, I have taught a small stuti. And the participants who have come are at different levels. Some are just 3-4 years learning they have, and some are already teachers.
Okay.
So I really enjoy teaching them. And it was like, teacher enjoys when the student is grasping, and even student and teacher should be equal. Student has so much knowledge, but if the student is not taking, what is the use? So in these 2 days, I enjoyed a lot, and all the students and all the youngsters, all the aspiring dancers, I would like to say, I know this field is it's time-taking.
Yes.
It is, you have to have perseverance and determination. Sometimes it can get little difficult because slow process it is, because you have to learn it,
Yes.
Yeah. So, but don't lose hope. In this last 10 years, 15 years, I've seen a lot of growth, especially from in the schools and from the government and from the Sanskritic department, Minister of Culture and all. There's so many schemes coming, so many things coming for us artists. So don't give up. There are many dance opportunities, even in jobs, even in media, everywhere. So keep doing. In every field, I feel there is a time when you feel it's taking time, I'm not getting opportunity, but don't give up.
True.
Reaching the destination, finishing the line is important. So you will definitely get opportunity, many things, but don't give up halfway, please. So continue your journey in a nice, creative way. All the best. And I'd like to thank Vedic Kala Sanskritik Seva Sangh for this opportunity. And such a beautiful, this dance residency in Kathak and Bharatanatyam, unique idea, and happening for the first time in Uttarakhand, in Devabhoomi. It's wonderful idea. and it's being done also, executed also very well. We are all staying in this Vyas Ashram. Very, very nice experience. Thanks to all the organizers and Guruji and Smriti Waghela ma'am, Prasanna ji. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for your golden words, ma'am. We actually fortunate to having you here, and I'm here to say thank you behalf of Vyas Ashram, Guruji, Dr. Smriti Waghela, and we all students of this, ashram. Those who are here in a one roof for many things. We are just going to collect all the gyan and all the information and all the new things with us, and we are really thankful to you, ma'am, from coming.
This is actually
all the way.
Gurukulam. We are really in a Gurukula system. Like
yes.
ऐसा ही लग रहा है गुरुकुल में हैं हम लोग.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Namaste.
Namaste.